Sorry. I should say something in the beginning, but no, I thought I was waiting, but...
I was waiting for you, you were waiting for me. Hiro-san, how are you?
Hey, very good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. Got a great recipe again with ramen.
Yes, actually, I'm gonna use ramen noodle, but
Okay.
basically this recipe is very popular in Japan. We call it Mentaiko pasta. So regular pasta with Mentaiko is actually, you see, it's a fish egg, a cod fish egg with a little spicy one. It comes like this. So that's what we call it Mentaiko. So I'm gonna use this one for the pasta. But of course, pasta noodle instead, actually, I'm gonna use ramen noodle today.
Very, very good. Let's show everyone which pasta it is, which ramen.
This instant noodle is one of my favorite one. They have a several different flavor. So they today I just got how they call the soybean paste flavor.
Okay. And this is the one that Hiro highly recommends. I believe it's from Japan, correct?
Yeah, yes, I like this brand.
And also, if you guys need to look for us, we have an Amazon store that's in the link below. And this will be linked there. You can go and check it out and buy it inexpensively. This is the best ramen that Hiro recommends. And that's what this is here.
This one I'm not sure where you can buy, but if you can buy, if you are living in California or New York, pretty much I'm sure they have it in the Mitsuwa market.
Okay.
But here, Oriental market, if you go to Oriental market, yes, they have it.
Okay.
Okay? We call Mentaiko. So today
Mentaiko
Mentaiko pasta. So first we're gonna do Mentaiko pasta sauce. I'm gonna mix with butter, soy sauce, and then this Mentaiko eggs, and a little bit of lemon juice. I'm gonna mix into the bowl everything. Then after, I'm gonna boil in the noodle. Then after, actually mixing together in the wok.
Okay, now question here. If they cannot find this, what else can they use instead? Do you recommend anything else?
Mentaiko, instead Mentaiko is very difficult to
substitute.
yes, in substitute to over this one.
Okay. How about Masago? No? Not really, right?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
But you can try it, but we can try it, maybe next video.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, first I'm gonna do this one. And then you can see this one actually supposed to be like this.
Okay.
They cut into half already, right? So this is one is
It's together. So the
together.
whole egg sac is here.
Right.
Interesting. Okay.
So I'm gonna do. I just need only one side. I mean the inside. I really don't need this. How they call this one? The
casing.
casing.
Yeah.
Like that. You can eat it, but I just don't need it for this pasta.
Let's take a look at this. You guys can see this up close. So little eggs in there.
So I'm gonna add the butter.
So I know you let the butter outside, so it's fairly soft.
Soft already.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's one thing to remember.
This and a little bit of soy sauce. Mentaiko is actually flavor is very salty already, so you don't need much, not too much soy sauce. Mentaiko pasta is also a lot of different recipe they have. Some people use actually mayonnaise.
Okay.
Regular mayonnaise
Instead of butter or?
instead of butter.
Okay.
Just a little bit of lemon juice. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, sauce is ready, and then here the hot water is ready. So I'm gonna start to cook the noodle. Noodle is finished. Olive oil on the pan, and then this moment I don't put any fire on. You don't need to. Okay, just put the noodle in it, and also mix it up. And first you need to put sauces first. A lot of sauce. Okay.
So So you don't need any heat, huh? No heat?
No heat yet.
Okay, not yet.
I'll put everything anyway. It's not gonna use for nothing, so. Okay. Mix it up. And then once mix everything, just put a little slow heat.
Low heat, okay.
But don't cook too much of the eggs. Too much cook is not good.
Okay.
Just kind of warming up or something like that, you know. It's not really, even you don't need to see the bubbling or something.
No steam, no bubbling.
No cook.
Okay.
Okay. And now, I'll put it here. And this is we call kizami nori, cutting smaller the seaweed. The top. And then if you have an over leaf,
Some fresh over.
it is nice too.
Okay.
Or maybe if you want to put some ikura, it would be nice too.
Mm.
I guess. Okay, very simple. That's it.
Wow.
Mentaiko pasta.
Looks so elegant too. Super elegant. Can't wait to try it.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you. If you guys like this video at home, give it a thumbs up for us. Comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell us if you try this or if you can make this at home. It's fairly simple as well.
See you next time.
See you. Bye bye. Here we go. Hiro-san.
Yes.
Tasting part.
Parts.
That looks so
Okay.
good. I can't wait to try it.
Mm.
Enjoy.
Okay. A lot of tarako egg.
Mm-hmm. What's the texture like?
Yeah, today I put so many eggs.
A lot of eggs, huh?
Once you put on them in the mouth,
Yeah.
you can feel a lot of eggs.
Let me try.
And texture of the noodle is pretty good.
Uh-huh.
If you like a fish eggs, maybe you can put on the rice.
Right. Yeah, right.
Mm.
That's a big piece. Can you help me out? Oh, this is a big bite. Okay, let's give this a try and see.
The ramen noodle between a lot of difference between the regular pasta noodle, you know. Some people, of course, really like it, but some people might not doesn't like it.
Wow. There's a little spice. It's probably from the noodle itself, right? The seasoning of the noodle. I feel a little spicy.
Eggs has a
Oh, the
spicy,
eggs, right? Okay.
because this is spicy cod egg.
Okay.
It's a mentaiko.
And it's very creamy. Really, really good. I love the noodle. The ramen is excellent. Highly recommend you guys trying this ramen. It is so good. Really, 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 really good. But the eggs, yeah, they're like little bits and pieces in your mouth. Really good.
Maybe you can little bit
So good.
arrangement, put a little cream or something.
Yeah.
Heavy cream or something.
I think we need to
Maybe
try it
more.
again, Hiro, with maybe with regular ramen and misago and see how it comes out. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna try next time.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Excellent. Please try this at home, guys. Really good. Thank you, Hiro.